If you need to install or replace the SIM card in your T-Mobile home internet gateway, this guide will walk you through the process safely and step by step. Important safety information. Before starting, follow these precautions. Dangerous electrical voltages can cause serious injury. Always unplug the gateway before handling the SIM card. Keep the device away from direct sunlight. Use a SIM eject tool or straighten paperclip carefully. Step 1. Turn the gateway around. Place the T-Mobile 5G gateway so you can access the backside of the device. You'll find the SIM tray located on the back panel. Step 2. Disconnect all cables. Before removing the SIM tray, unplug the power cable from the gateway. Disconnect the power adapter from the wall outlet. Remove Ethernet cables connected to LAN 1 or LAN 2. This ensures the gateway is completely powered off. Step 3. Open the SIM tray. Insert a SIM eject tool into the small pinhole. Gently press until the tray pops out and carefully pull the SIM tray out. Step 4. Insert the SIM card. Place the SIM card into the tray. Make sure the SIM card aligns properly with the tray shape. The gold contacts are positioned correctly. The SIM sits flat inside the tray. Do not force the SIM card into place. Step 5. Reinsert the SIM tray. Slide the tray back into the gateway carefully. Push gently until the tray is fully secured. Step 6. Reconnect everything. Reconnect the power cable, the wall outlet connection, any Ethernet cables if needed. Turn the gateway back on. Wait a few minutes for the gateway to reconnect to the T-Mobile network. Your SIM card installation is now complete. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more T-Mobile home internet tutorials and troubleshooting guides.